Hey, do you own one of those big balls of air that are otherwise called a Swiss ball? Do you know why it's called a Swiss ball? It was because it originated from Switzerland, by the way, and it was used mainly in the physiotherapy circles, but then it became the end thing in the 90s and early 2000s to use for core training. Well, let me tell you, it can be used for so much more than sit-ups on a ball. And if you've got one of those big balls of air rolling around in your house or at your studio, and you'd like to get a little bit more information about how you can use it for cardio, how you can use it for strength, how you can use it on balance and endurance, join me in my Swiss ball education. It's called the Comprehensive Guide to Swiss Ball Training. And if you're interested, join me. Click on the link and I will not only provide you with an extensive manual, but also an online training that you can go back and review over and over and over and over again. So it doesn't matter where you're located, you can zoom in and access this training. And if you can't show up on the day, don't worry, the whole thing's going to be filmed and will be put up into my education platform so you can access it post-event. So I hope that you'll join me in the Swiss Ball workshop.